Custer State Park.
It's pretty here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So today...
This is Clara from Off-Road Recon.
Off-Road Recon. Subscribe.
Yeah, it would help the parents.
So today we're doing Custer.
Oops, sorry.
Which this is beautiful behind us. Like this whole park is just really pretty. So we're doing Custer and Mount Rushmore today. A little bit different than the off-roading that you will see in a different video. You can always catch Nate reading all of the plaques.
There you go.
Here, Nate. Move your arm.
All right, we better move along. He's gonna have his head in here again.
Go.
This one's real pretty.
That was a hell of a climb there. I may be 31. I still got a little bit of energy left. A little bit of young blood flowing through these veins. I'm a little bit less salty now.
We're a little less salty. We're in Custer State Park, and this is the most expensive state park we've ever had to pay to get into.
I don't know if it's the most, but it was $20 to get in here.
$20.
And then the first couple stops we made, there was nothing but like restaurants and little
tourist traps.
Yeah, and we can't stand that kind of shit. So we got back a little further into the park, into the like wildlife loop. We got to drive through a herd of buffalo. And then later on we passed some like small deer, and then we also passed some donkeys on the road, and one of them got right up in the window. It was pretty fun. So yeah, I think that kind of restored my my confidence in the park.
Look at this.
Gorgeous view.
It's definitely pretty here. I'm not a huge fan of the touristy things that they have in the park.
And we kind of want to know where like Custer's last stand took place. We're not sure if it's in this park or what. We haven't seen any kind of historical markers or anything, so more to come.
More to come
on that.
So we just stopped at this state game lodge. It was the summer White House for Calvin Coolidge, and had lunch. It was really good. They have a buffet. I'm not usually a buffet person, but it was super fresh. It's really good.
It was good. I was starving. I was
coffee.
energized, so
Coffee was amazing. They had pie. The Ferris family was all about it. All about that pie. So we're gonna head over to Mount Rushmore now. I'm excited to see this rock of presidents. So we'll see. So we have arrived at Mount Rushmore.
So when we initially got here, we were really disappointed because we walked up through the main arches, the main entranceway to go back to the monument, and it was all once again very touristy, very capitalized, commercialized, whatever you want to call it. We hate it. We hate that stuff. We want to avoid it like the plague.
We want the experience. We don't want to be herded like cattle.
Right. We grabbed a ranger, that was just happened to be walking through. We asked him if we could get closer, and he told us about this trail we're on now. It doesn't really, there's like no signs or anything to point to this trail. Everything leads towards the place where you can spend more money. Kind of, go figure, right?
Yeah, go figure.
So, anyway, now we're on this trail that this guy told us about. He says it gets right up to the base of the monument.
There's very few people out here too.
So we're on our way down there now. And hoping that we get some cool pictures.
Get a better view, yeah.
And a better view.
Reann's really digging it. She's running, and it's her last day of being 3, so she's having the best time of her life. Hey, Reed. Are you living your best life? Yeah.
Before.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you so excited to report tomorrow?
Yes.
Are you gonna get a job now?
Nope.
Are you gonna start helping out with the YouTube channel?
Yep.
What? Why not?
Because I want to stay little.
You want to stay little, so you don't want to help out? Oh.
Alright, so we made it up to the base of the monument here.
Point you up so you can see. It's an awkward angle on
So
us.
there's a couple different views up here. This one you can only see George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. It's
Yeah,
quiet. There's not many people up here. It's kind of a hike in here.
Because people don't want to hike.
Yeah.
It's 250 steps
I mean,
up.
it ain't terrible, but
Yeah, it's not horrible.
it definitely thins out the herd back here.
Point you up there. There it is. Can't see Teddy or Jefferson, but pretty cool nonetheless.
So I think this was worth coming out here. Just this hike. You don't actually have to make this hike. It's right over here is a trail from the main entrance right over here. But you have to take this presidential trail over here to get here now because that section over there is closed. It's pretty up here. It smells great. What are they?
December for me. December.
Of course she does.
Keep acting.
That's the only balloon that's like
That's why I always do that.
So we just climbed down that hill over there. It's a pretty gnarly little climb down here at Pactola Reservoir. Nate says it's chilly. I'm trying to hide in the shade over here because the sun is like blaring down on my face. This lake is really pretty. It's not even a lake, it's a reservoir and recreation area. And it's just on rock cliffs. Climbed over there. Just checking it out.
Like the sun.
Every time. Go, babe.
Come on,
Three, two, one.